Welcome to a transformative journey where you're just one decision away from unlocking unprecedented growth in your personal and professional life. In this video, we dive deep into the essence of power, the art of strategic decision-making, and groundbreaking sales techniques that promise to redefine your approach to overcoming objections and achieving your goals. Whether you're striving to enhance your influence, master the dynamics of logical selling, or navigate through common objections with confidence, we've got you covered. Prepare to uncover practical insights and implementation tactics designed to propel you towards success. Hit subscribe and let's embark on this journey together, turning challenges into stepping stones for your success. Number 1. Decision-making empowerment. The first step is understanding power. Realizing the impact of power in decision-making emphasizes that every individual has the capacity to influence their own life trajectory positively. This recognition serves as a foundation for personal growth and professional success, making it crucial for individuals to seek and harness power wisely. Next, focus on strategic decision-making. Encouraging strategic decision-making involves not just contemplating current benefits, but also considering long-term repercussions. This approach ensures that decisions contribute to one's overarching goals, fostering a proactive rather than reactive life strategy. Number 2. Sales techniques. Let's begin with logical selling. By prioritizing logical selling, individuals can engage with prospects on a rational basis, presenting solutions that logically address their needs or challenges. This method often leads to more sustainable customer relationships as decisions are made based on mutual understanding and clear benefits. Onwards to building trust. Establishing trust is critical in converting prospects into loyal customers. It's achieved through consistency, reliability, and sincerity in all interactions, reinforcing the belief that the salesperson genuinely has the prospect's best interests at heart. Continuing on with prioritizing the prospect's well-being. Making the prospect's needs and well-being a priority shifts the sales conversation from transactional to transformational. It positions the salesperson as a trusted advisor rather than merely a vendor, significantly enhancing the value delivered to the prospect. Number 3. Overcoming objections. We first start by addressing time constraints. Overcoming time-related objections often involves demonstrating how the proposed solution can seamlessly integrate into the prospect's current lifestyle or work schedule. It's about showing them how making time now can save or create more time in the future, effectively turning a perceived obstacle into a compelling reason to act. Next, we tackle financial considerations. Addressing financial objections requires a deep understanding of the prospect's perceived value versus the price. By clearly articulating the return on investment and comparing it with the cost of inaction, the salesperson can shift the conversation from cost to value, making the financial commitment seem not only reasonable, but essential. Now, on to self-doubt and external approvals. Tackling objections rooted in self-doubt or the need for external approval demands empathy and a personalized approach. It involves affirming the prospect's autonomy in decision-making and highlighting the product or service's role in empowering them to achieve their goals, thus fostering confidence in their decision. Number 4. Implementation tactics. It's paramount to begin with empathy and understanding. Demonstrating empathy and understanding allows for deeper connections with prospects, acknowledging their concerns and fears while guiding them towards solutions that resonate with their personal or professional aspirations. Follow up with asking targeted questions. By asking targeted questions, salespeople can uncover the underlying reasons for a prospect's hesitation, allowing for tailored responses that directly address those concerns and move the conversation forward. Finally, close by, creating a sense of urgency. A sense of urgency can be effectively created by highlighting the fleeting nature of opportunity and the cost of missed chances. This tactic encourages prospects to act promptly, leveraging the inherent human tendency to avoid regret and capitalize on opportunities for improvement or growth. As we conclude this journey of discovery and empowerment, remember that every step taken towards learning and applying these strategies brings you closer to realizing your full potential. The insights shared today are more than just techniques. They're a blueprint for cultivating resilience, confidence, and mastery in the art of persuasion and decision-making. Carry forward the lessons learned, embrace the power within you, and let these strategies illuminate your path to success. Thank you for joining us on this transformative adventure. Until next time, continue to make bold decisions, harness your inner strength, and shape the world around you.